Welcome to Ngobo 23 Shop channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 23 Shop channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, actually 0. My brother, how's it?
Ngiyaphila kunjani futhi?
Sharp, thanks. Why igama lakho Mawu?
Igama lami Ayanda Mgidlana, but well known as uKoke ku TikTok. Very influential, umuntu okhuluma kakhulu ngebhola. Ngiyal-analyze ibhola, so angenza content eningi ngebhola. Okay, coming to the game namhlanje. I think the game namhlanje is interesting. We know Al Ahly was going to come and become defensive namhlanje. We also saw the introduction of Ushika Bala, you know. We saw my support ukuthi they were very happy with Ushika Bala, ukuthi abuye, but in terms of the game it was very tactical game namhlanje. I mean it was not going to be easy for Mamelodi Sundowns to win the game namhlanje. Al Ahly set back and they were waiting for those moments to make a break, you know. But they did try the boys ephakathi. Ngimbonile ukuthi uZamile noAlende nayo create ama chance, but ukuthi no Ribeiro nayo uZamile create ama chance, but we'll see in the second leg ukuthi bayiceda kanjani. Ngiyabonga futhi.
And then man of the match yakho bukubani namhlanje?
I'll give it to man of the match namhlanje. I'll give it to Umkwena. Umkwena ya uZamile. Umkwena played very well.
And Kolsondela, going forward second round ufuna ukuthi badlale kanjani? Olopushintsho ufuna balenze.
I think second round they should not be hard on themselves. They are away. Al Ahly is going to have to open. Angicabanga ukuthi the way bacede ngakhona introducing Ushika Bala. I think in the second leg should bamqala Ushika Bala because now we need more creativity. We've got Ushika Bala, we've got uAlende, we've got Umkwena, we've got uSalez. That creativity in the middle of the park into sitting in the second leg. And ngicabanga ukuthi sathola something. Ngiyabonga futhi.
Shoba for lastly tweet ilendoza TikTok handle yakho so that amajita bakufollow ubani usolakala kuphi?
Yeah, mina ku TikTok endlile yami uKoke ngicela nifollow uKoke na kuma live nisithole bafethu anything ofuna ukuyazi ngebhola sayicoca Koke ku TikTok na kuma live ngizobe ngihostile even late tonight ngizobe ngihostile anything you want to know about football so bisilapha ngiyabonga. YouTube I'm still there Ayanda Mgidlana on YouTube. I'm still new on YouTube now. Instagram I'm there. I'm still new on Instagram Ayanda Mgidlana on Instagram. Also uKoke you'll see me there ngiyabonga.
Thank you my brother. All the best. Hey, tada, so.